off folks, guys. Check out the right way to do it. Only work on aluminum heads though, so don't think you can get your cast iron heads out and go weld on them. That shit ain't gonna work. You need some aluminum heads, you got a whole truck in there, get your welder out, you gotta have your temperature way hot. That's a real big key. You gotta have your surface clean. And you do what I do. Another big key, you gotta let it cool off between your welds. You want it to go all the way cool. And then weld on again. This allows it to build up. If you weld too fast, it's just gonna be a big puddle and you're gonna end up ripping off of your damn cylinder head, fucking up your hole. So you got a little bit of a head sticking out of there, usually just go ahead and grab the pliers. Just like that, it started turning. A lot of people want to weld a nut on there. If you ask me, it's a waste of time, a lot of extra headache. Get your puddle sticking out of there, get your pliers. You gotta turn the heat with some grease. Protect the thread. Like that. You're done. You got it out. That's the third one I've already pulled out of that head, and I've been messing with it for 15 minutes or less. So you just use what I did, you're gonna have it. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do the other three. Both cylinders had the same exact three broke off in. 1, 2, 3. You get it back to the mechanic, he can put it back on. sir. You're right. Need a tip tool. That's what happens when you get it too hot. It falls off. Oh, that trigger happy. Souvenir! Shit's oily from me spraying grease on it. Clean it off the brake cleaner. Yeah, take it right in there. Yeah, brake cleaner in the eye, baby, yeah! That's great. That'd be a good one for YouTube right there. a little brake cleaner in the eye, wake you up in the morning. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's why you're supposed to wear safety glasses, I think. Yeah. Suggested. So it's very safe. He said, fuck you, Dodge Ram. Nobody likes a Dodge. Another one back to this. Hey! One more! One more! Watch your eyes! Hey, I'm on fire, guys. Look at that shit. Woo! Man, apparently there's a bunch over there. It's good YouTube channel content. I love it. They have like equipment. How you move. Open top off, have room to come here. Hope it helps out. 6 of them hose down. Yeah?
Yeah, all of it.
Fucking